Shake, shake, Sinora, shake your body line. Shake, 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 Sinora, shake it all the time.
What do you get when you combine Mario Party minigames with Battle Royale? Fall Guys.
Dances, oh brother, she's a hurricane in all kinds of weather. Jump in the line, rock your body on time. Okay.
So Fall Guys is essentially a series of mini games where you play as this little jelly dude racing against a bunch of other little jelly dudes through obstacle courses, like trying to run through doors, and some of them are going to open and some of them aren't, and you're just going to hit your head, and then racing through a whole mountainside with obstacles rolling down at you and spinny things trying to knock you off the course, and then of course all the other players trying to take the crown as well. Yeah, good job, all right, whatever, I'm gonna win this time. And then one of the games, actually, one of the mini games we played in Fall Guys was a tail snatching game, where a few players in the round have tails and everyone else is trying to grab them. And you have to run around and not get caught if you have a tail. It's a very contained round, but all of these games are going to host up to 100 players at the beginning. And then they whittle it down as the rounds go on. If you don't make it into the top ranks of the first few games, you're going to be knocked out. So we got our hands on a demo of Fall Guys here at E3 2019, and there were only 60 players in the actual rounds, and it was already a very packed playing field. Up to 100 sounds insane in the best way. What are they?
They are Fall Guys.
Fall Guys. They certainly are. So as an online title, Fall Guys is tapping into that Fortnite juice on Twitch, and developers are playing around with maybe throwing in some integrations in the chat where people that are watching a stream can suggest obstacles or courses for players to run, or maybe even join in 100 at a time with their favorite streamer. So this is building off of the whole Twitch plays Pokemon idea, allowing the chat to really interact with their streamers. Mediatonic is building this game right now, so we only got the chance to play 3 different modes, but there's going to be a lot, like up to 30 different game modes in this thing. Fall Guys is poised to be your fix for frantic, frenetic, WarioWare style minigames. Easy, 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 but built maybe for a streaming era.